I'm Mindy Lockard, and today on Market of Choice Gracious Kitchen, we are going to be talking about summertime entertaining with a few of my favorite pantry hacks that will keep your guests asking for s'more. Today I'm joined by my daughter Maggie, and we are going to be sharing with you one of our pantry hacks, which is a s'mores fire pit kit. What we do is we start with a basket, and then we fill it with all of our favorite s'mores ingredients. First, we're gonna start with the traditional graham crackers, and breaking away from tradition, we love using a variety of different cookies and wafers. The ingredient that is not going away is marshmallows. Marshmallows is kind of that interactive part of the s'mores, and so that's what we really love about entertaining, is giving our family the opportunity to get together and talk and actually do something. And finally, chocolate. Now this is where we like to get really creative, and Market of Choice has a wide variety of chocolates that you can choose from, starting with the really traditional chocolate, but also to doing peanut butter cups, that's a huge hit, almond cups for those who might be allergic, and then our favorites, ponies. Now you may not have a fire pit, and so now we're gonna show you a really super easy way to make s'mores under the broiler. This is something you and your friends have done.
Yes.
So we start with our cookies, and we layer them with our chocolates. And once your chocolate is down on your cookies or your graham cracker, then you want to add the marshmallows. And you want to add them so that they are facing straight up. If you put them on the side, they will roll and it will start to get kind of messy. And then pop them under the broiler. You want to keep an eye on it because it'll only take a couple of minutes. And look at how beautiful and brown they are when they come out of the oven. So yummy and gooey. So then you're just going to top each of your s'mores with the cookie or the graham cracker, and you want to push it down. So if your guests aren't going to eat them straight from the broiling rack, which absolutely they can, we like to put the sandwiches into a cupcake wrapper, and this helps keep your guests' fingers from getting too gooey and sticky. It's also a great way to serve them. And voila, you have a delicious ooey and gooey summertime treat. How's it? So good. To feed teens or people of all ages. Cheers.